It's not written up, is it? I don't think it's ever been written. Are you ready? What's doing, Johnny?
I'm just sitting here, Mr. Scoutmaster.
Yeah. What you got there?
I thought it was a flashlight, but I think it's a lightning bolt thrower.
You having fun?
Yeah! It's always fun.
Staying out of trouble?
Oh, yeah. I never get in trouble, Mr. Scoutmaster. You know me.
Sure.
You ever see me cause trouble? Don't answer that.
Okay.
Mama's here.
Mind if I ask your flashlight?
You what?
Mind if I ask your flashlight a couple questions?
Scoutmaster. Flashlights don't talk. You can use a microphone, they don't talk.
So you don't mind if I ask you a couple questions?
Mr. Scoutmaster. It's a flashlight, it don't talk.
So it won't tell on you?
What?
So if I ask you the question, it won't...
It can't talk, sir.
Alright. So how's Johnny doing? Flashlight?
He's doing pretty good, sir.
Has he been keeping fresh batteries in you?
Well, since he took the corroded ones out, he has been.
Hasn't been laying you around anywhere and leaving you out in the rain?
Yeah, I was about to say, except for that time he left me out in the rain. That's why the battery's corroded.
I don't know about this, Mr.
Yeah.
Scoutmaster.
What else you got over there?
I got my cup. Just a
Mind
cup.
if I talk to it?
Mr. Scoutmaster, you ain't blown that twice. Cups don't talk. I've had this one for a long time, I ain't never said a word.
We said flashlights don't talk either.
I ain't figured that out yet. I still don't believe they talk.
So, can I ask you a question or two?
You ain't get me twice. No, I'm good.
Okay. Maybe just one question.
Mr. Scoutmaster, I think you've gone nuts, but here you go. It ain't gonna say nothing.
All right.
This ain't flashlight.
Well, how's Jimmy taking care of you? Is he keeping you clean?
Yes, sir. Keep it full of fresh water.
You want this thing?
I don't want it.
Take a
Kind
seat.
of talked a little funny there. He cleans you out every day, right?
Oh.
No. What's that brown stuff at the bottom down there?
That's personal.
Oh. I think I've had enough. You can put the cup down now. Yeah, over there.